Okay, this how-to video is going to describe how to define a browsable property within inside your CIS database that gives you the ability to kind of link to a datasheet or to an external 3D model file. So if we go to the CIS Explorer window, we'll expand our database, and we'll look at connectors, and we'll look at headers and through-hole headers. There's a list of all my different parts. There's the part that I want to kind of specifically look at. And if we browse across all the different columns, so we've got part type, description, value, PCB footprint, etc., all the default kind of properties that you would need. I've actually got a user field here that's got a link here, so I can actually see the mouse changes to a link. Now we can click on this link, and this is going to launch a free step viewer that you can kind of download from the internet. And when the file comes up, we then get kind of our 3D model of our DIN connector, which can be really, really useful to make sure you've got the right footprint and the right model enabled. There's also a link to the datasheet that obviously is part of the relational database, so we can actually get a link straight out to the HTML link to the manufacturer's website. Now to set this up, we need to go to the options, CIS configuration. This is our standard kind of DBC location. If we then click on setup, this gives us a list of all the database properties. So I want to find my connector table, and then if we browse down the list of all the properties that we have, I had a user field 01, and you can see I've just got this browsable property enabled. That just makes it a browsable property. For the relational database, specifically for the datasheet, what you find is because it's a part of a relational database, it's a default option to either look for something that starts with HTTP or ends in .pdf. Basically, the link will automatically be a browsable property.